Most people don't realize this until it's too late. The mistakes you make in your 20s don't just cost you money today. They cost you decades of freedom tomorrow. Here's the truth no one tells you. Your 20s are the most valuable financial decade. Not because you earn the most money, but because of time. Every dollar invested in your 20s is worth 10 times more than in your 40s. But here's the shocking part. Most young people waste this decade completely. They chase trends, spend recklessly, and delay responsibility. And those choices don't fade, they compound. So today, let's break down the biggest mistakes, the ones that trap people in lifelong financial struggles. And more importantly, how you can avoid them. Mistake number 1: living beyond your means. Too many people want lifestyle before income. They buy cars, gadgets, designer clothes, just to look successful. But here's the brutal truth. Trying to look rich keeps you broke. Real wealth is invisible. It's savings, investments, assets, not flashy possessions. The rich don't flex their money. They grow it silently. Living beyond your means in your 20s sets the stage for decades of debt. Mistake number 2: ignoring budgeting. I'll figure it out later. That's the anthem of broke 20-somethings. They don't track expenses, don't budget, don't plan. So money leaks out everywhere. Budgeting isn't about restriction. It's about control. It tells your money where to go. Without a budget, your money disappears. With one, you take control of your future. Mistake number 3: accumulating bad debt. Credit cards feel harmless in your 20s. Swipe today, pay tomorrow. But interest is a silent killer. Debt compounds faster than investments. That $2,000 credit card balance can become $6,000 in just a few years. The rich use debt to buy assets. The poor use debt to buy comfort. If you learn this early, you win. Mistake number 4: delaying investing. I'll start investing when I earn more. That's the biggest financial lie ever told. Your 20s aren't about investing big. They're about starting early. Because time beats money every single time. Investing $200 a month in your 20s can make you a millionaire by retirement. But waiting until 30s or 40s? You'll need 3 times as much. The cost of waiting is massive. Mistake number 5: not building an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable in your 20s. Car breaks down, medical bills, sudden job loss. Without savings, one emergency destroys everything. Most people rely on credit cards instead. That's how debt spirals begin. An emergency fund is your safety net. 3 to 6 months of expenses. Not optional, essential. Without it, your finances are fragile. Mistake number 6: focusing only on income. Many people in their 20s chase higher paychecks. But they ignore the real game: net worth. High income means nothing if expenses match. Wealth is about what you keep and grow, not how much you spend to impress. Learn to build assets, not just collect paychecks. Mistake number 7: ignoring skills and knowledge. Your 20s aren't just about money. They're about building yourself. Too many waste money on parties, trips, trends. But they ignore books, courses, mentors. Skills compound just like money. The more you learn, the more you earn. One skill in your 20s could add millions to your lifetime income. Ignore it, and you stay average. Mistake number 8: chasing status instead of freedom. In your 20s, status is tempting. The car, the apartment, the vacations. But all of it comes with chains. The rich don't chase status, they chase freedom. The ability to wake up without stress. The power to work by choice, not need. If you waste your 20s on status, you sacrifice decades of freedom later. Mistake number 9: not networking. Your 20s are the best time to connect. But most people only socialize for fun. They forget that relationships build opportunities. The right network opens doors money can't. Jobs, business ideas, partnerships, mentors. If you're not networking in your 20s, you're missing the fastest wealth multiplier. Mistake number 10: thinking retirement is far away. At 22, retirement feels like a lifetime away. So people delay saving. But here's the math. Every $1 saved in your 20s is worth $10 at retirement. Every $1 wasted in your 20s costs you $10 of freedom later. Retirement isn't far away, it's closer than you think. The hidden cost of these mistakes: every mistake in your 20s compounds. $100 wasted monthly equals $36,000 in a decade. Invested, that's $150,000 or more. A bad loan in your 20s could chain you for 15 years. These aren't small mistakes. They shape your entire financial future. How to avoid these mistakes? Start small, but start now. Budget every dollar. Save before you spend. Invest automatically, even if it's small. Avoid debt that doesn't create income. Build an emergency fund as protection. Focus on learning and networking. Think freedom, not status. And above all, play the long game. Final thoughts: your 20s can make you or break you. The mistakes you make now don't vanish. They grow, multiply, and haunt your future. But the right habits? They also grow, multiply, and reward your future. You get to choose which side you're on. Will you waste this decade, or use it to build financial freedom? If you're in your 20s, this is your wake-up call. Don't repeat the mistakes everyone else makes. Start now. Budget, save, invest, and build skills. If this helped, like this video now. Subscribe for more wealth-building truths every week. And share this with a friend in their 20s. Because one good habit today could save them a lifetime of regret.